Hey everyone. So along with reenacting items that cover other time periods aside from just World War II, I'm also going to be doing pretty much anything else that has to do with history and hobbies. So I've recently got into the black powder tabletop gaming world, and today I just picked up this Warlord Games late French line infantry kit. A buddy of mine has a gaming store, so I went there and they had this, and instead of dropping over $100 on one of the big starter sets, I figured I would go with one of these smaller sets for now and practice with this, see how well I do at painting them and stuff. And I've got a couple other things off camera too, basically to have everything I need to paint this kit and see how it turns out. Now, this is obviously the Napoleonic Wars era for the Black Powder series. It covers 7 Years' War, French Indian War, Civil War, American Revolution, a lot of really cool time periods. And my friends play a lot of Napoleonic Wars, so here, this is what I went with. And you can see here the box art. Pretty neat. So I flip it over here onto the back. You can see what your kit could look like when you're done if you want to use that as a reference. You've got your commanders here in the middle, and then your light infantry on each one of his sides, and one standard. Here on the box it tells you what it includes: 24 easy build French light infantry, 4 metal command figures, 2-page background guide with the flags, and an ammo pouch decal sheet. I imagine, I haven't cracked, I took the plastic off and opened it, but I haven't looked yet, just so I can open this with one hand while doing this. But I'm guessing that's for the bugles for the ammo pouches there, which I'd appreciate, because painting those on these little 28 millimeters would be kind of challenge. So yeah, so let's get this open here and see what we've got. Just gonna try to do this with one hand here. Come on out. I'll get all the sprues out first so I can get the hard part out of the way. 1, 2, 3. What else is there? Something else. Another sprue. I feel like there's something hiding in there. Yep. A little guide. Alright, set the box aside. So here we have a sprue of soldiers. Probably best to focus if I leave it there on the table. This one, they're all wearing their greatcoats. Kind of this brown russet color. And you know, the variation's pretty neat. You know, this guy's coat's open a little bit, this guy's is closed. You can see the buttons there. Actually, I'll grab a paintbrush, could probably point better. So, see the buttons. This guy almost doesn't look like he has a great coat on. Another great coat. So we have one without, and the other 5 have them. We have our little backpacks here with your ammo pouches. Little sword. This guy's got a cup. Not sure what this is. That just looks like a little, almost grenadier grenade. Pack with some shoes, pan, another sword. So I like seeing that variation on the pack, because it definitely looks better, and you can see it in the picture here too. Not all the guys have, you know, there's the pan. You know, this guy doesn't have anything on his. You know, probably a mess kit there. And then the heads with the shakos, and they also have the covers on there. You can do either probably do those in black, like a tarred canvas. You've got some of the soft caps here, more shakos. And that's it for that sprue. This one, that's the backside. Same thing, same sprue. Actually the same exact sprue. So here's the guy without the coat on. So, and if I had to guess, it's probably the same thing too. Yep, so 3 of the soldier sprues. move those over here. And another soldier sprue. And then the command guys are going to be in this little thing here. Pop this open. You know what? That's staying closed. I can't do that with one hand, so we'll just take a look. Obviously, they're already assembled. You can see there's an officer, bugler, another officer, the standard. Actually, that looks like the like a tassel for the standard. Did I miss the standard? No, I'll find it. It's actually, I'm sure it's in there with it. Oh yeah, there's the pole, right on the back. So, oh, and we forgot. Obviously, this has all sorts of juicy, good historical information. You want to read up on it. Actually, it says right there, the shako worn by Lady Infantry was black. White metal eagle in front of us. This is a good color guide. Do some reading. And on the back, we have our French standards. You get the first light infantry. Now this is the late war kit, so 1815, first light, second light, fourth light, 11th light, 14th light, and then your battalion colors. Oh, and the 15th. So I'm not sure if I'll use these or if I'll use a third-party flag company or not, but it's a really nice option to have in case you don't want to buy another flag. If you want to do like maybe a unit that's not listed here, then you could find it somewhere else, I'm sure. So I also picked up from Warlord their French Infantry Napoleonic Wars paint kit. Now I don't have any, this is the first time. I've done some ship models, but I haven't done the tabletop miniatures before. So they had this in stock there. I just picked it up. It's going to have everything I need. In fact, it's actually got, you can see there's the overcoats, and the shakos, and the colors. Use this 7878 for the coats. Then you've got your black for the shakos and probably the boots. Yeah, so that was the easiest way for me, just to pick up this kit instead of going, well, I'm going to go on Amazon and buy, 20 different colors, and I know that these are the ones I'm going to use. And I'm sure if I knew more, picking out colors myself, I could make them even more detailed looking. But like I'm going to have to pick up a skin color, because there's not really a skin color here. But you can see, it even gives you a guide here, collar and cuffs. Now these will be for different units. Like the light infantry don't have these red cuffs. Actually, that's them in the background. You can see with their overcoats. So that's a really neat. I like it. Simpler for me to get started, so I know I have everything I need. And the only other paint I picked up was a Citadel wash, Agrax Earthshade, to sort of give them that dirty gunpowder wash sort of look. So that's going to be it for this unboxing of the Warlord series Late French Light Infantry. If you guys have any questions or you want to see more of these unboxing videos, let me know. And I'm going to be putting up some more content on the reenactor side of this as soon as I can. So thanks a lot, guys.